Intermittent fasting for beginners. Intermittent fasting is the new buzzy diet among celebrities, beauty influencers, and even fitness enthusiasts. Currently, intermittent fasting, also known as IT, is one of the world's most fashionable diet and fitness trends. People use it not only to lose weight, but to also improve their lifestyle. Celebrities like Halle Berry and Vanessa Hudgens swear by intermittent fasting. However, it should be noted that intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. As is clear by the name, it involves fasting which might not be everyone's cup of tea. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can have several powerful effects on your body, may improve your mental health, and may even help you longer. While you already understood the gist of fasting, it is important to know every detail about intermittent fasting before you decide to try it. In today's video, we have discussed in detail everything you need to know about intermittent fasting. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating periods and fasting periods. It is when you allow yourself to eat only during a specified window of time every day. Thus, it doesn't specify the foods you can or cannot eat, but it does tell you when to eat. In this regard, intermittent fasting is not like a diet in the traditional sense. Instead, it is more like a guided eating pattern. It involves fasting for a number of hours every day while allowing yourself to eat in a small window of time. Research suggests that fasting is a powerful instrument of losing weight. And additionally, it also has several added benefits for your body and brain. There are several kinds of intermittent fasting patterns. The most common one is fasting for 16 hours a day and allowing yourself to only eat for the remaining 8 hours. Let's learn more about the intermittent fasting diet. Intermittent fasting methods. There are a few ways in which you can follow intermittent fasting. All of these methods split days or a week into eating and fasting periods. Ideally, you are supposed to eat nothing during the fasting period. You can only drink water, green tea, water with lemon, and unsweetened black coffee. Some of the most popular methods of fasting are: Number 1. The 16/8 method, known as the Lean Gains Protocol. 16/8 fasting method is the most commonly followed intermittent fasting practice. It involves skipping breakfast and restricting your daily eating window to 8 hours. For instance, 1:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Then you are required to fast for 16 hours in between. Number 2. Eat, stop, eat. The Eat, Stop, Eat method involves fasting for 24 hours at least once or twice a week. For instance, you stop eating after dinner one day until dinner time the next day. Number 3. The 5:2 diet. In the 5:2 method, you eat only 500 to 600 calories on 2 days of the week. It should be non-consecutive and eat normally on the remaining 5 days. All these methods reduce your calorie intake and as a result lead to weight loss. However, you need to make sure that you don't too much during the eating periods. It is a consensus that the 16/8 method is the easiest to follow through, and also the most sustainable. This is what makes it the most popular eating plan too. Intermittent fasting health benefits. The convenience factor is not the only reason why the intermittent fasting diet is so popular. It also has a multitude of health benefits to offer, including weight loss. Number 1. Weight loss. Without having to consciously restrict calories, intermittent fasting can help you effectively lose weight and especially stubborn belly fat. Number 2. Inflammation. As you know, inflammation is the key driver in most chronic illnesses. Luckily, research has shown that following the intermittent fasting diet can reduce inflammation significantly. Number 3. Insulin resistance. Intermittent fasting not only aids in weight loss, but it can also reduce insulin resistance, lower blood sugar by 3 to 6%, and fasting insulin levels by 20 to 31%, which is known to protect against type 2 diabetes. Number 4. Cancer. Research has also suggested that following intermittent fasting may have a role in preventing cancer. However, more research is required regarding this claim. Number 5. Heart health. Intermittent fasting significantly reduced bad or LDL cholesterol, inflammatory markers, blood triglycerides, blood sugar, and insulin resistance, etc. All of these are risk factors for chronic cardiovascular illnesses. Number 6. Anti-aging. Although more research is required to support this claim, studies have suggested that practicing the intermittent fasting meal plan may help you live longer. Number 7. Brain health. Intermittent fasting is known to increase the brain hormone known as BDNF and may also aid in the growth and production of new nerve cells. In addition, it may also protect against Alzheimer's disease. The bottom line is that intermittent fasting is a tried and tested and scientifically proven way to lose weight. However, as we mentioned earlier, it is not everyone's cup of tea. Therefore, if it doesn't work out for you, don't be discouraged. There are many other diets and eating plans that will be suitable for you and will cater to your needs. Also, keep in mind that if you are underweight, suffer from a chronic condition or pregnant, you should talk to a doctor before starting intermittent fasting. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. And subscribe to our channel.